Liza says, I'd love to know your opinion of integral human design because I'm new to HD, QHD, IHD, Gene Keys. I know little about all of them, a little bit more now. Thanks. Thank you. I'm drawn to your, here's what I would say. I definitely am. You're not going to hear me say one is better than the other. I will never say that. I will say every little branch of human design is different. And I personally am excited that they're different because I think that, the idea of human design as it was originally birthed into the world is an idea that needed and wanted to mutate and grow. So I always tell people, go investigate all the different ways that human design is taught and shared, and then go with the way that feels right to you. I would never tell you my way is the best way. I will say my way is the way that people who are aligned with it, it's a good fit for you if you feel aligned and excited about it. And I would also say, go with where you feel called. I have students that oftentimes learn from lots of different teachers and lots of different schools of thought. There's no one way. I mean, that's the thing about human design. Human design teaches you to follow your inner authority, not to follow the way. There's no one way. There's only your way. So go study and explore and learn the way that feels right for you. That's I would say please do that. Please don't do anything else other than that. So